So there are brain parts. At first we need to know this is one hemisphere I am holding, and this is the cerebrum. I am now like feeling the cerebrum, and there are lobes. This is the frontal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, and parietal lobe, along with the bones, you know that. And this part over here, this is the cerebellum or small brain. This part right here, if you have difficulty seeing from this, you can see from inside. This part is the pons, this part is the medulla. All right. Right inside you see one cavity over there. That's the lateral ventricle. All right. And here you see this part is the thalamus. This is the area below, so that must be the hypothalamus, and this is the pituitary gland. Do not confuse. All right. The pituitary gland. This part we have got the third ventricle. There is one cavity like this, but not that big. But this is the third ventricle right here in the thalamus. This is the aqueduct, cerebral aqueduct, and this is the fourth ventricle. And eventually we will have the central canal. And this is the spinal cord. All right. And these small areas over here elevated, these are called gyrus, and these are the sulci. And we have got one very big sulci over there, that is called the central sulcus. And the area in front of the central sulcus is the motor area. The area behind is the posterior or sensory area. Here we have got the numbers. This is the area, like area 4. This is area 1, 2, 3. All those things are there in your book. All right. So try to see the numbers where all those numbers are. Maybe you will see that one arrow mark is over here asking you, tell me the number of this area, or what is the main function of this area. This is the primary sensory cortex, this is the primary motor cortex, this is the visual area. You see that all those things are over there. Definitely those things will be masked. All right, you will not see things over there like that. All right, so this is actually almost everything about the brain, because we will not be asking you many questions. Okay, two things over there. This is the olfactory nerve, and this is the optic nerve and optic chiasma. How do we know that this is chiasma? Because if you fix it like this, you see that one cross. You see the cross over there? Cross. That thing will be the optic nerve crossing over. And this is the pituitary gland, only one half. You can see the stuff should be there. All right. So this is all about the brain. All right.